Hi, my name is Andrei Yakovenko from New Element Training. In this video we will demonstrate exercise for your hip abductors, for these muscles on the side of your hips. These are important muscles. They give us stability, they give us posture. They are responsible for, as I mentioned, like stability, particularly for the knee. And also this muscle, what happens if they're weak, and let's say we're walking, right, and we go from one foot and another. So when we're like off balance, we just want one foot, and this muscle is so strong, the hip kind of doesn't stay straight, it does this, and then what happens now, your lower back has to work harder to keep you upright, and and we frequently might feel kind of soreness in the lower back after being on the on the feet for too long and walking and so on. And partly it's because these muscles are weak and they don't give we don't have a good base of support. So it's pretty important exercise. We use it a lot with our client here at New Element Training using our machines. However, since we're not using the machines, we're just gonna use rubber bands, so you can do this exercise at home as well. Now the way you're gonna do it, I'm gonna lay down on my left side to start. I'm gonna knot this rubber band, so I make it a very small loop so I have more resistance, not a big loop, small loop, and I'm gonna put it around my legs there, and I'm gonna lay down on my side, produce little bit of angle between my legs, in the torso, maybe 10, 15, maybe 20 degrees or so. And what I'm gonna do is rest my left elbow on the floor, and I'm gonna slowly start lifting my right leg up and little bit slightly backwards there, and I'm gonna go as high as possible. I can really feel this muscle here called gluteus medius working and engaged, holding it. I'm gonna pause it right here, and I'm slowly gonna come down. I'm not gonna come down all the way. Like around here, I'm beginning to lose the intensity. I will stop, and I repeat again, nice and slow. So again, my leg going up and slightly backwards until I feel full contraction in this muscle here at gluteus medius. There, and then slowly down, and again. And let's say this is the last one. And how do you know it's the last one? Well, don't just count the reps. Make sure that the last one is the one, let's say maybe is the one that for sure you won't be able to do another repetition in a good form. So we're gonna try to get you to the top of the range, and we're gonna hold it there for 30 seconds. Really try to squeeze in this muscle here. 5, 10. Oh, I can really feel even in my glute max in here. 15. Come on, fight. Try to keep it up. Little bit more. Nice. 10 seconds. I can really feel in my glutes here and then here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then slowly come down and rest the leg. And of course, you're gonna do the other side as well. If you find one side is weaker than the other, you're gonna use a stopwatch to record how many seconds it took you to the end of the set. Always start with the weaker side, and then when you're doing the stronger side, just make it match the time under load what you did on the weaker side as well. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you'll be one of the first to see when we upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions, you can go to our website, newelementtraining.com. Shoot us an email at info@newelementtraining.com if you have any questions, or perhaps would like to book a virtual online coaching session. Thank you.